I've been testing this little powerhouse, and it delivers exactly what you need for everyday use. Today we are taking a look at the SanDisk 256GB Ultra microSDXC UHS-I Memory Card with adapter, up to 150 MB per second, C10, U1, Full HD, A1, microSD card, SDSQUAC, 256G, GN6MA. Right out of the box, you get the tiny microSD card itself, along with a convenient SD card adapter, making it incredibly versatile for use across various devices. With a substantial 256 GB of storage, it offers ample space for thousands of photos, hours of full HD video, and countless applications, striking a great balance between capacity and cost. Performance-wise, this Ultra card boasts read speeds of up to 150 MB per second, ensuring quick file transfers and smooth data access. It carries a C10 and U1 speed class rating, which means it's perfectly equipped for seamless full HD video recording, so you won't miss a moment. Crucially for smartphone and tablet users, it also features an A1 application performance class, meaning apps launch and run faster directly from the card. This makes it an excellent choice for expanding the storage of your phone, tablet, action camera, or even a compatible laptop or drone. While cards pushing 2 TB or delivering speeds up to 1,600 MB per second exist for extreme applications, this SanDisk Ultra focuses on reliable, everyday performance. Its robust design also means it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring your data is safe wherever you go. You won't find it struggling with your general storage needs or full HD content creation. Overall, the SanDisk 256GB Ultra microSDXC card is a fantastic value proposition for anyone needing dependable, everyday expandable storage. It might not be the fastest card on the market for high-end 4K recording or cutting-edge gaming, but for its price and specifications, it's an incredibly solid performer that gets the job done reliably. If your device primarily handles full HD video, photos, and apps, this card is an absolute winner and a smart upgrade. If you want to check the latest price or grab one for yourself, the link is in the description below. If you found this review helpful, check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more reviews like this.